So cumulins are the compounds which contains cumulated double bonds. Now, what is meant by cumulated double bonds? So, totally double bonds are of different types. First double bond are these are called as alkenes. Now, if this is a double bond, now if there are more than two double bonds in the ring, these compounds are called. There are two double bonds in a compound, not in ring or compound. They are called as dienes. For example, this is a diene. Okay, when there are more than one double bond, that is two double bonds, then such compounds are called as diene. You will see that this is an example of diene. Now, if these dienes are also of different type. First type, it is conjugated diene. So this example over there, more than if two double bonds are separated by a single bond, then such a compounds are called as conjugated dienes. If these two double bonds are not separated by any single bond, means these two double bonds are on the same carbon atom, then such compounds are called as cumulins. Such dienes are called as cumulins or cumulated dienes. These are conjugated dienes, these are cumulated dienes. Now, if such a compounds are separated by more than one single bond like this, CH2 and C double bond C. Now here the two double bonds are separated by more than one single bond. So two single bonds over here or far away from this. So such a dienes are called as isolated dienes. So these are three different types of dienes. One is conjugated diene, second is cumulated dienes, means two double bonds are not separated by any single bond on same carbon atom, and third type, it is isolated diene. Over there two double bonds are separated by more than one single bond. Now if you see this type of compound, then we have to study the IUPAC nomenclature of the diene. Now these are of different types. Suppose there are only two double bonds in the compound, then there are some compounds over there more than two double bonds are also there. So this is diene. We know that in alkenes we have studied the nomenclature. Such compounds are called as dienes. If there are three double bonds, they are called as trienes, like this. This is an example of triene. Then there are other compounds also, or there are more than three double bonds are also there, tetraene and so on, triene, tetraene, and so on. Now, the simplest compound of diene family, it is this one to the propadiene. It is called as. Now, this compound is called as allene. Allene. This is called as allene, a simplest compound in which two double bonds are there and three carbon atoms shares two double bond and terminal CH2 groups are there. This example is allene. It is named in IUPAC nomenclature like 1, 2, 3. Number of carbon atoms are counted. These are three, so it is propane. But as there are two double bonds, so it is called as propadiene. Now the position is also mentioned. This is 1 and 2. 1, 2 propadiene. At 1 and 2 position there are double bonds. So 1, 2 propadiene. Now cumulane is hydrocarbon with more than two cumulative or conjugated double bonds, like that. Consecutive double bonds over here, means they are not separated by any single bond. So that we have studied just. Then next one is nomenclature. We just now we studied that parent hydrocarbon is named by considering the longest chain. Now longest chain, suppose this is the compound, longest chain is considered. Now how many double bonds are there? 1, 2 and 3. We can start numbering from any one of the side longest chain. So here we should start from 1, 2, or we can also start from 1, 2, 3, like that. So 6 carbon atoms are there. The double bond should get minimum possible number. Suppose here again CH2 and CH3 group is there, CH2, CH3. Okay, then in such a case, the numbering should be always from this side and not from this side. Okay, so this should not be the numbering. So numbering should be always from the side where double bond should get minimum possible number. So we have started from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now at second, third and fourth position there are double bond. So it is 2, 3, 4 hexatriene. So in this way this compound is named. Now there are 5 carbon atom compound 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but it contains functional group. Now in such a case, numbering should be always from the functional group 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It should not be 1, 2, 3 like that, because the functional group should get the minimum number. Now it is diene. Okay, so this is diene. Pent 2, 3, diene 1 oic acid. At first position there is carboxylic acid. So in this way, the dienes or cumulative compounds are named. Now there is a characteristic property of these compounds. So this is another IUPAC nomenclature. Before that, let me tell you one thing. If let me take the size. See this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this compound is trine because there are 3 double bonds. So hexatrine, but position is 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, hexatrine. Similarly, this is also, but this is cis and this is trans. Now this compound is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So pentadiene. So it is second, third position contain double bond 2, 3 pentadiene. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hepta and 1, 2, 3 tetraene. So it is 2, 3, 4, 5 heptatetraene. So this is IUPAC nomenclature of this compound. Now let us see this one. So this compound IUPAC name. Now here the nomenclature has been started, but numbering is from here because this is a functional group, or substituent should get priority 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is pentane. Now if you see this carbon atom, it contains amino group. So it is 1 amino, 1, 2, 3 pentatriene. So in this way this compound is named. Similarly, here we should get minimum number should start from here 1. This should be 2 because this is a COH functional group. 3, 4, 5. Okay. At second and fifth position there is benzene ring substituted over here. So it is benzene ring is phenyl. So it is 2,5-diphenyl, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 2, 3, 4 pentatriene or penta 2, 3, 4 triene. 1 oic acid. At first position there is COH group, so 1 oic acid. Now this is, there are 2 types of substituents over here. First is naphthalene. Okay, 2 naphthalenes are substituted and 2 phenyl groups are there. So naphthalene means N and phenyl means P. So we have to follow alphabetical preference while naming this compound. So N comes before P, so we should write N in IUPAC before this. Before that, we should number it 1, 2, and 3. So it is 1, 3 dinaphthyl, 1 and 3 dinaphthyl, 1, 3 diphenyl, 1, 3 dinaphthyl, 1, 3 diphenyl, 1, 2 propadiene. 1, 2 propadiene means 2 double bonds are there, so propadiene. So in this way the cumulines are named 1, 3 dinaphthyl, 1, 3 diphenyl, 1, 2 propadiene. So in this way cumulines are named.